Hear that buzzing? Thought it was some electrical problem at first, but no, that's the cicadas. I don't see any yet. Gotta be a lot of them. We're here in Nebraska, at a rest area, a couple miles outside of Sydney. Got cicadas up in these trees. There's John, Ashley's brother. My car over there. The dragonfly over there. I wonder what the cicadas look like. I don't really know.
Yeah, I get a disability from the Navy.
Yeah?
And that's what my ears hear.
Oh, yeah?
I hear good, but not that loud. In my ears, that's what I hear all the time.
Really? Wow.
Like I say, not nearly that loud.
Right. It's David, Ashley's stepdad. There's Aslan, their dog. Occasionally I see a little black bug flying around. I don't know if that's a cicada though. I'll ask Ashley, she would know.